Good evening, everyone. Yesterday and today, I uploaded two videos which I have described the amplifiers and the various ways and means of listening some music and voice which added values to it using amplifiers and the other related devices called microphones and buffers. So I did those two videos in Sinhala language, and so I supposed to add clip and the description in English medium in order to understand these things who follow different languages in the country and out of my motherland. So, and I want to describe these things in English medium. So, I hope everyone would be able to follow these things. And so, adding two clips in Sinhala medium, Sinhala language, and thereafter, I want to give a brief description of the things I have described there in this way. So, so and I described there in my previous clips what are the ways and means of listening to a music or voice which with added values. Added values means to add the value to music or voice. So, what are the ways and means of adding values to a voice or music? So, if a voice, we can alter the voice. We can follow somebody's voice and we can alter our voice and speak in a different way. Or else, music. So, if we sing a song, we can sing it in a different way, altering our own voice. But if we play back something which have been recorded previously, there is no ways of altering without this digital or electronic device. So listening to a good video in a different and some enthusiastic way or the fantastic way which can please our mind and the audience and which give some more pleasure to audience, we have to use the audio devices called amplifiers, microphones, and buffers. So amplifier is a electronic device. It's a purely electronic device which used to amplify the sound or voice. And other than that, it can add some other values to the voice or music playback. So, and in my previous video clips which I have done in Sinhala language, I explain everything how you can use amplifier and how to give an input to the amplifier and how to hear it using buffers. So, and now I want to, rather than explaining these things again and again, I want to give you a brief outline how the amplifier in manner in which we can use amplifier to amplify the sound and add some other characteristic features to the voice or audio playback. So first of all, we will come to the front panel of the amplifier. So before coming to the front panel of the amplifier, on the way I will show you the structure of a buffer which I am using. So see this buffer. So this is a buffle. This is a buffle, and which is you can see this is a buffle, and this is also a buffle, and here this is also a buffle, and here also a buffle, and these are the amplifiers which are used to amplify the sound and give some added values to the music or voice clip. Okay, and here are the equalizers, and now I will come to the equalizers later. In this end of this clips, I will explain what equalizers are. So you can see this amplifier. So, and actually I want to describe these things in brief. So I have given the complete description in Sinhala language, but in order to understand it in English speaking my colleagues, so I will describe these things in this way. So this is the amplifier. It's a Oland amplifier. I will switch on the amplifier. Okay, you can see it's working. Going back to the rear panel, going back to the rear panel, I will show you how rear panel looks like. You can see the fan is rotating, giving some cooling effects to the transistors. And this is the rear panel of the amplifier. This is the rear panel of the amplifier. Okay, you can see these things very clearly. So here you can see equalizer in, and I will explain what equalizers are. Here is the audio input. How many inputs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 inputs. The left and right channels of the input, and you can see these are going to the buffers, where the amplifier gives out its output, and by the mean, when it disconnect then these knobs connect to the buffer, we can hear the music or audio transmitting from this amplifier, and you can listen it from the buffer. Okay, so, and you see this amplifier is working. So, and this purpose of using amplifier is giving some loudness to the weight to the voice or audio playback. Giving output means add some power. So then we call it as a power amplifier. We call it as a power amplifier. So it gives some power to the input which it receives, and it's then right away it sends to the buffers. So this is the microphone. I switch on the microphone, and you can see some amplification of the voice when I speak. So okay, so this is my my objective of this lesson is to totally understand the handling and proper way of using amplifier, and which gives you so many advantages when you want to sing a song, when you want to address a public. And public addressing amplifiers are called PA amplifiers, public addressing amplifiers. And I remember couple of years ago, 3 decades ago, my father told me PA means public addressing amplifier. Still I remember it. It's public addressing amplifier. So PA amplifiers. This is a karaoke amplifier. You see here is a karaoke. Oland amplifier is a karaoke amplifier. This is the Pioneer amplifier. This is the Yamaha amplifier. PA amplifiers used with some you have seen when you are having a carnival or something in the public. So you have experienced that loudspeaker has been mounted on the some public places where you hear a very loud voice. You can hear very loud voice. Those devices are called horns. And when we use a horn, actually we can't hear the natural voice. We are not be able to, we are unable to hear the natural voice. But if you use it gives the loudness to the voice, but you can see the variation of the music and it's a very characteristic the some fine voices, fine frequencies you can hear. But you see the loudness and you hear loud voice. But when you use speakers or buffers, here you see woofer and mid-range tweeter. So when we construct a buffer, the manufacturers make it in order to give a full quality, the full range of the music and the voice. So in this buffer, this is a Technics buffer. Technics buffer, they have used a woofer to play back the low frequencies. So low frequency is a woofer. This is a mid-range, mid frequencies is a tweeter, high frequencies. So and so then I want to give full description how these things are made, and now you can clearly see the amplifiers. Amplifiers is the Holland amplifier, Pioneer amplifier, Yamaha amplifier. So and in next video, I supposed to give you a complete outline of these buffers and the audio devices in detail. So this is my first effort to make you understand how these structures and these devices have been organized and made. So thank you so much for being with me, and in next video we will go to little bit advanced level of understanding and description how these things are mounted and connect, and how the way of using to listen a good quality audio or music collectively. So thank you very much for the day, for being with me, and we will meet up again, and have a nice day to you all, and thank you very much. Ayubowan.